Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essential prerequisites and the first actionable steps. First, confirm the correct power or battery and plug-in. This prevents intermittent faults. Next, inspect and lubricate pivots. Use about 1/2 teaspoon where metal meets metal to reduce friction. Then set basic controls. Choose speed 1 and feed 0. 5 so you won't overload the mechanism. Once done, align the marks to 0. This establishes a repeatable reference and lets you move to the active operation confidently. You now continue into the complex middle steps, where control and observation matter. Load and clamp the workpiece firmly to eliminate vibration. A loose part causes poor results and damage. Then adjust tension and pressure, tighten to the specified torque, and set operating pressure around 30% of the maximum to balance cutting force and longevity. While running, monitor the temperature and RPM. Keep the temp below 60 degrees Celsius and listen for unusual sounds. If you see drift, you complete the task by following a deliberate shutdown and verification routine. First, stop motion and reduce speed to 0, then power off to avoid stress on gears. Once stopped, inspect the output, measure critical dimensions, check the surface finish, and confirm tolerances so you know the job meets requirements. If something goes wrong, here is a key troubleshooting tip. If the mechanism binds, immediately back off the load by about 20% and re-lubricate the pivot points. This usually frees the motion and prevents damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.